Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here from Netherlands. Without further ado, let's check it out. I want change the subject as you know about that, or as you follow this channel. I make application in the form of Java and Spring Boot application. But now I have to improve my Python understanding to use it in my new career, and that's data visualization and just those things. And for that thing, what I mean sometimes we want to make a graph, or sometimes we want to show data on API or on a web page. And let's check it out. Dash language project. Let's see what we can do or what we can make with Plotly Dash. Dash project example, for example. Hey guys, where was that? Let's see. Dash enterprise app gallery. Okay, for example, take a look here. Real-time object detection, and that's to you see that just real-time object, and here everything what you here see, it's a type of data visualization in the form of web, and we make this with Power BI and Power Apps in some of cases, and now here we wanna switch them to Python. I'm not wanna tell you that is Python better for this. Otherwise, Power BI is really make this easy for us, but it has really differences, and that's this why with the Python and Dash we make web application. And web application, it's mean everyone has access to that endpoint or to that data. But with Power BI, you are some limited yourself. And take a look, you can make what you want, some of cases, okay? And now let's check it out. What is Dash? Python, you heard about that? And here is what is Dash. I'm going to translate all of this. Dash is a combination of HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, and all front-end things. And let's see how it's work. For example, I want to say you take a look. A Dash has standard syntaxes to show something as web application. And how is that? This is documentation, and I want just explain you, and after that you can just copy and paste this. But first, we are going to understand it. After that, we copy paste them. As always. Let's see here. For example, it's a Dash core components checklist. I want to use checklist. For example, take a look here. I say from Dash import DCC. DCC is a type of what you want import to your page. I say I want checklist, standard syntaxes, and here I'm going to enter my values and I get them. Okay, take a look here. Here I refresh the page, okay, to show you how it's simple. Take a look here. First line, when I'm saying checklist, first line is the total value what I have, and I want to say as default select some of them, and here I say the second line is say if someone coming as a new or refresh page, I show as default, for example in this case New York City, Montreal. And we have here horizontal line, and inline we are be able to use inline CSS here, color, value, text box, color, everything what you want. Here with other word inline CSS, and I have here, you see that everything what I need. And let's see now here, for example, for everything you have, take a look here. Again, you have a standard things. And take a look here. You put a div here, and in that div there is a text area, and that text area has a text area ID as ID. We are be able to control with this parameter. Value is copy and paste here. The value is something that our user is going to see, but this one our user is not seeing this, because we use this ID to fill it up and connect it to our backend or method or function, and you say style and just height, and this is CSS. And we have other thing, clipboard. Take a look here. We want to say when I click here, just copy paste that. Take a look here, target ID, text area ID. Take a look, text area ID is coming from there because we want to copy paste what is here inside this text area, and that's why I say targeted ID is this. With other words, what I'm typing here, this is my target. And I see a title copy and a style, display, inline, font size, vertical align, horizontal align, and here I'm running my app. And what I'm typing here, just copy, and it's copied to my clipboard. You see, I don't want you to, because this is just HTML, CSS, and nothing, still nothing as Python, just running application. Okay, and now say confirm dialog. Again, I'm importing what I need as libraries here. App layout, I have here a div, and I have in that div, you know that this is a div, a place. This is a div, this is a div, a place, a stock of things. Okay, and here you say we have a confirmation dialog there, and that confirmation dialog we are taking control with this ID, confirm danger, and there message of confirmation is this, danger, are you sure you want to continue? And then we have other drop down. What is drop down? You have some options there. In that we have safe and danger, and ID for this drop down. To control it, it is drop down danger, and here we have HTML div, and it has only an ID. It's an empty space that we are going to fill it up. And where is it? Let me see here. Take a look here. See here. Okay, and here is what I get. You see? And now wait, and here with other word, this is a placeholder, and filled it up. Take a look, fill it up with something. Okay, and now take a look here. Here we say we have a Python function, Python method, but we have here, it say app structure app.callback. What is this, Sami? It is going to say this function accept two things, one input, one output. Okay, and that output is confirm danger. Okay, confirm danger. Okay, if you take a look, that confirm danger, that was that confirm dialog that we get here. Take a look, that we get here. Okay, it is output, what we get out when we click something, and it say displayed. Okay, and now take a look here, as input, what we get as input. As input we get drop down danger, and what was that here? Drop down danger and value. And here with other word, what we and this method accept a parameter, and what's that? The parameter is value, and what is value is input. What is input? Drop down danger. With other word, what you search here, what you choose here, we get there. This is all about that. Okay, if value was danger, it say here, if I choose here danger, return me true. Okay, if not safe, let me danger, it say danger, okay, and then it say like this, danger. Okay, and so on. Let's check other function. Take a look here. Here I have a button, you see that, an OK button. When I click there, something happened. What happened? We are coming here, it say confirm, I say danger, and it say it wasn't easy, but we did it 5, for example. Okay, what is this? It say we have other function, update output. When I click there, it has to update value. Here is now danger. Okay, take a look here. Here is danger. I say here, I say here safe, and it's safe. But it say here, if it's danger, return true. And now I'm going, if I select danger, I get confirmation box. Because, and now here, it say we have a method or a function, it accept one parameter. What is the parameter? Submit and click. Submit and click. Input. What is input? This is input. What I click there, it is going to there, here. It's going to, for example, if I choose danger here, it's coming here def update output and coming danger here as input. Okay, and you see it's one input, but with two method we have full control of our thing. Let's see, confirm dialog provider. Again, we want to just learn first how to analyze them. After that we make a web application with graph and visualization. Again, import what you need. Again, what you need, your app name, app layout div, and we have here a confirmation dialog provider. Children equal to HTML button, click me. You see here, and let's see here, we have here ID as danger provider. We control this, and message is danger like before, and we have other hidden element here, and we fill it up later. Take a look. If I click there, we fill it up. This one, this is the result what I have there. Okay, and here what this function is going to do, all of things, has one input, one output, and here update output, submit and click. I get again the same history. If not submit, clicks, return nothing, and return it was danger, and after that you get the thing what you chosen there. This is going to replace there. How many times? 1, 2, 3, and again we run the app. Let's take a look other one, date picker. You see again date picker. Let's analyze this stack of code. Again, app layout, div, date picker range. Let's see what is date picker range. We want, this is this one, a JavaScript thing. Okay, but take a look how easy we make that. We want to make a date picker, between date or to send date. Take a look, date picker. This is the control element. We get full control of date picker with this. Min date allowed. Our date start from this date to this date. Maximum allowed. Initial visible month. We get this one, and end date is this one. And we have other hidden place to fill it up with this ID. We don't have nothing yet there. Oh yeah, now well, because I chose that, and this is that one. And we have here something else. Here in this method we have two input and one output. This function accept two things. This accept a start date and end date. It accepts these two parameter and as output only one. And take a look here. It say we wanna update output. It's here made it a variable you have selected because that's this one. That's standard stuff. And let's take a look. That's selected, and it say if start date is not none, start date is just start date. It's just fucking conditions here. Okay, and if end date is none, if you do not if you choose nothing there, it's going to automatically fill it up for you. And it say and if the length of that is equal to what you selected, you are select the thing is repeated. And that's it. Let's see other one. Display format example. Take a look here. We are be able to analyze all of them. This is the date picker. Again, end date, this format is date is a type of expression, or start date is this like this. We want to show first month, year, and after that day. Download. We want to download something. If I click here, we download something. Again, I am saying we have a button, and the text of that button is download text. User see this, and this ID is for me to work with. Take a look. When I click here and I download something, it happened via this ID. Via this ID, I say to this method, hey, this ID, you have to get connection with this ID. And here we have one input, one output. And this one I don't know, we have to search it. What is this? Advanced callback. Let's see what is this. My computer is really very slow. Oh yeah, I have to check it later. And here I have other function. Oh, it's the same one. The function n-clicks, and n-clicks is just this value. If I have here summy, I have to put it here as accepted parameter, and here it say that is input. This function accept this input with this n-clicks and return some things what you're going to download and those things. Drop down, and we import those things, that libraries, and say we have a drop down with these values, and this is control ID, and here other hidden things here, and here say we have this function accept one input and one output give us, and this is value, and this is children value. This method accept this value to execute itself, and you have selected value what is here. And for example, I say MTL, and you say you have selected MTL. And take a look here, the value here just is coming from here, and this is when you put it here like this, it's going to replace later with these things. And let's see what I can make more. And now let's show you something here. I'm using here PyCharm as my environment, and take a look here. Let's check it out. I have import some libraries here, and I say here just like syntaxes here, my app, and I say here df is pd pandas, and I'm reading my CSV file like this. I have here a CSV file, that's this one, count.csv, And here in this one I have program period state ANSI. I've downloaded this file from somewhere, and that's it. That's my CSV file. And here I group them by this. And take a look here, and this is how column, this is how you read first a CSV file in Python. And here just we say print them from first 5 element, or yeah, 5 element. And here is app layout, that HTML type, and here it say h1, and I say here h1 web application dashboard with dash. Take a look, h1 web application dashboard with dash, and it say the text is the center of the page. Okay, this is CSS. And here I say there I have drop down. I have here drop down. And in that drop down I have 2015 to 2018. I have here 2015 to 2018. This is the value what users see, and this is the value what I am going to take control about these things. And here say you are not be able to use multi date. You have to choose one date, and it say value, the value is say a default value is set it on 2015, and it say style, and that's CSS. And I say here we have here HTML div other, we have here a placeholder. We are going to fill this up later with this ID, and here we have spacebar. And here also we have other place, and we are going to fill it up with this. And we have here an function. This function accepts one input and gives two output. Okay, we have here a function, a Python function, and this function accept option selected. Okay, and where is it option selected? Option selected. What is option selected? Option selected. Where is it? Option selected. Let me find. Okay. This function accept option selected. Let me see. Option selected. Where is option selected is coming? Let me see. Okay, option selected, just option selected. It's accept something. It doesn't matter. It can look. You can name it what you want here. You can name it what you want. And this option selected is coming as input, and that's for sure select here for sure. And here we print them, and here we ask the type of that option selected, and it say the type of that option selected is class int, and that's 2015. You see that here, yes. And here it say the year that you choose was chosen by user. Here you see there the 2015. Where is it? Here, this is the year what you use, and we fill it up later here. And here we select just option selected here, everything what I get there, pass it there. And here we have here it's fig. Okay, what was fig, what we did there. Let me see. It's just my variable figure or figure. It's px, and what was px? Plotly express. When you call that with a dot, you have access to all of things. and you see date frame and location mode and all things what you see, and just everything, data, location is just update layout. And because we have two input, because we have two output here, we have to return also two things. Okay, and let's rerun it again. Okay, I have run that, and you see here we want to click here, and you see if I for example choose 2016, I say here I want to select only here, and I say I can make a photo, I can make everything what I want. 2017, on mouse hover I get everything what I want, and just everything. This is a basic web application. It's not a basic, and just a basic web application in Python and Dash, and really easy one, really easy one. It's just easy. We have to practice. These are do not be confused. These are intern methods that intern method have plotly express that we get access to them. Okay, guys, it is going to I am going to make a new playlist for Python and Dash, because I am going to make more web application also in Python, not only data visualization, also web application. The web applications what I'm making in Java, after a short time I'm going to make them as also Java, as Dash and Python. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. See you on the next one, and ciao.